everyone, welcome to my channel Focus 360. In this video, I will be giving you some MCQs from previous year exams on educational psychology, which is very important for any kind of teaching related exams. So let us move to the first question. According to Vygotsky, zone of proximal development is options: zone demarking the support offered by the teacher, what the child can do on her own which cannot be assessed, the gap between what the child can do independently and with assistance, the amount and nature of support provided to the child to achieve her potential. And the answer is the gap between what the child can do independently and with assistance. Next, according to Lev Vygotsky, options: language development changes the nature of human thought. Interaction with adults and peers does not influence language development. Culture plays a very small role in language development. Children learn language through a language acquisition device. And the answer is language development changes the nature of human thought. Next, according to socio-cultural theory of Vygotsky, options: culture and language play a crucial role in development. The child thinks in different domains and does not take a complete perspective. Children think in abstract terms if presented abstract material at a lower age. Self-directed speech is the lowest stage of the scaffold. And the answer is culture and language play a crucial role in development. Next, which one of the following statement best summarizes the relationship between development and learning as proposed by Vygotsky? And the options are A. Development is independent of learning. B. Learning and development are parallel process. C. Development process lags behind the learning process. And D. Development is synonymous with learning. And the answer is development process lags behind the learning process. Next question. The concept of private speech of children as proposed by Vygotsky. Options: A. Shows that children love themselves. B. Illustrates that children use speech to guide their own actions. C. Shows that children are stupid and thus need guidance of adults. D. Illustrates that children are egocentric. And the answer is illustrates that children use speech to guide their own actions. Next question. The amount and type of scaffolding to a child would change depending on the options: A. Mood of the teacher. B. Child's innate abilities. C. Rewards offered for the task. And D. Level of the child's performance. And the answer is level of the child's performance. Next question. According to Vygotsky, learning cannot be separated from options: reinforcement. B. Measurable change in behavior. C. Perception and attentional processes. And D. Its social context. And the answer is its social context. Next question. According to Vygotsky, why do children speak to themselves? Options: A. Children use their speech to attract the attention of adults to them. B. Children are very talkative by nature. C. Children are egocentric. And D. Children use speech to guide their actions. And the answer is children use speech to guide their actions. Next question. The concept of preservation as proposed by Jean Piaget means options: A. Certain physical properties remains the same even when outward appearances change. B. It is important to protect wildlife and forest. C. One can arrive at the correct conclusion by systematically testing hypotheses. And D. Taking the perspective of others into consideration is an important cognitive ability. And the answer is certain physical properties remains the same even when outward appearances change. Next, what term or phrase does Piaget use for mental structures which are the building blocks of thinking? Options: gene, B. maturation blocks, C. schemas, and D. zones of development. And the answer is schemas. Next question. According to Piaget, which one of the following factors plays an important role in influencing development? Options: A. experience with the physical world, B. imitation, C. reinforcement, and D. language. And the answer is experience with the physical world. Next, according to Jean Piaget, adaptation takes place through options: assimilation, accommodation, experiences, assimilation and accommodation. And the answer is assimilation and accommodation. Next, thought not only determines language but also precedes it was an idea put forward by options: Vygotsky, Pavlov, Jean Piaget, Kohlberg. And the answer is Jean Piaget. Next question. Development of the capacity for abstract scientific thinking is a characteristic of options: concrete operational stage, formal operational stage, sensory motor stage, pre-operational stage. And the answer is formal operational stage. Next question. According to Piaget, when the child is at formal operational stage, it is appropriate to introduce options: numbers, geometry, ratio and proportion, data handling. Answer is ratio and proportion. Next, which of the following implications cannot be derived from Piaget's theory of cognitive development? Options: discovery learning, B. need of verbal teaching, C. sensitivity to children's readiness to learn, and D. acceptance of individual differences. And the answer is need of verbal teaching. Next question. The stage of cognitive development according to Piaget in which a child displays object permanence is option: concrete operational stage, formal operational stage, sensory motor stage, pre-operational stage. And the answer is sensory motor stage. Next question. According to Piaget's theory, children learn by A. memorizing information by paying due attention, B. changing their behavior when offered appropriate rewards, C. scaffolding provided by more able members of the society, and D. processes of adaptation. And the answer is processes of adaptation. Next, which of the following statements cannot be attributed to Piaget's theory? And the options are A. Development occurs in, here it's a print typing mistake. Development occurs in qualitative stages. Children construct and use knowledge about their world. Learning takes place through constant practice. Children act on their environment. And the answer is learning takes place through constant practice. Next, Piaget proposes that pre-operational children are unable to conserve. He attributes this inability to which one? Options: inability of hypothetico-deductive reasoning, lack of high-level abstract reasoning, personal fable, irreversibility of thought. And the answer is irreversibility of thought. Next question. The cognitive ability that comes in pre-operational period is options: ability of goal-directed behavior, ability to take others' perspective, hypothetico-deductive thinking, ability for abstract thinking. And the answer is ability to take others' perspective. Next, A major difference between the perspective of Vygotsky and Piaget pertains to options: their critique of behavioristic principles, their conception of children as active constructors of knowledge, the role of providing a nurturing environment to children, and their views about language and thought. And the answer is their views about language and thought. It is already given here. Next question. Lawrence Kohlberg's theory of moral reasoning has been criticized on several accounts. Which one? Options: A. Kohlberg has duplicated Piaget's methods of arriving at his theoretical framework. B. Kohlberg has not given typical responses to each stage of moral reasoning. C. Kohlberg's theory does not focus on children's responses. And D. Kohlberg has based his study primarily on a male sample. And the answer is Kohlberg has based his study primarily on a male sample. Next question. Which of the following is a characteristic of Kohlberg's stages of moral development? Options: universal sequencing of stages across all cultures. B. Stages proceed in a non-hierarchic manner. C. Variable sequence of stages. And D. Stages are isolated responses and not general pattern. And the answer is universal sequencing of stages across all cultures. Next question. Karnal Singh does not pay income tax despite legal procedures and expenses. He thinks that he cannot support a corrupt government which spends millions of rupees in building unnecessary dams. He is probably in which state of Kohlberg's stages of moral development? Options: conventional, post-conventional, pre-conventional, para-conventional. And the answer is post-conventional stage. Next question. According to Kohlberg's theory of moral development and his various stages, which one of the following is not a level proposed by him? Options: egocentric judgment. B. Interpersonal concordance orientation. C. Individualism and exchange orientation. And D. Social contract legalistic orientation. And the answer is individualism and exchange orientation. Next question. According to Kohlberg, the thinking process involved in judgments about questions of right and wrong is called options: moral realism, B. moral dilemma, C. moral cooperation, and D. moral action. And the answer is moral dilemma. Next question. According to Kohlberg's stages of moral development, the individual regards right or wrong in terms of complying with the hopes and wishes of other people is in the following stage. Options: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. And the answer is stage 4. Next question. Which of the following can be considered as a contribution of Kohlberg's theory? Options: his theory has supported an association between cognitive maturity and moral maturity. B. It establishes a clear relationship between moral reasoning and action. C. His belief is that children are moral philosophers. And the answer is his theory has supported an association between cognitive maturity and moral maturity.